Hello! So, hello, good morning my dear students and parents. Gamit! So, sabayan niyo ako. So, gamit ang ating mga pangarap, kahit na mahirap ang ating sitwasyon, lalaban tayo para sa edukasyon. So we are here today para naman sa panibagong paglalakbay tungo sa kaalaman, di ba? So, our lesson for today is solving quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So, ayan. Tinuruan ko na kayo ng extracting square roots, completing the square, factoring. If ever yung given ay hindi kaya nung tatlong yon, so ito na ang babagsak kanyang last quadratic formula. So wala na siyang kawala dito, naintindihan? So let us have here. Okay, so ang kailangan nyo lang tandaan dito is yung first lesson natin, which is finding the value of A, B, and C in a given quadratic equation. Say for instance, we have here 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So ang ating A ay, of course, yung katabi ng ating coefficient in the second degree, yung numerical coefficient 3. Ang B natin, yung nasa linear term na 2 na numerical coefficient. And C is the constant term or negative 3. So, ganyan. Alalahanin yung pagkukuha ng value ng ABC. So, kasi yun ang gagamitin natin to substitute doon sa quadratic formula. So, ano ba, sir, ang quadratic formula? Here is the quadratic formula. So, the quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, hindi ko na sa inyo i-discuss kung paano nag-derive sa ganitong formula, but just remember at pakatandaan at huwag kakalimutan itong formulang ito. Negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Provided that b squared minus 4ac ay dapat equal or greater than 0, meaning to say, dapat hindi negative ang nasa loob. Kasi pag negative na ang nasa loob, siya ang magiging nating discriminant. Pag negative na ang nasa loob, of course, wala naman pong square root ang negative number, meaning to say, so no solution tayo. Wala tayong sagot or no roots. And a must not be equal to 0. Kasi pag nag-equal to 0 ang a natin, undefined din ang sagot. So, yan ang pakatatandaan. So, let us have 2 examples only. Okay, so we have here, my dear students, 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 27. First thing to do, make sure that it is in a standard form. Nasa standard form ba siya? Wala. Kasi ang standard form, dapat 0 ang nasa right part of the equation. Since may 27, we're going to remove 27 by, okay, of course, subtract tayo. Since positive 27, maglagay tayo ng negative 27 both sides. So we have here negative 27, negative 27. So 27 minus 27, that is 0. So we have now the standard form. So let us now get the value of A, B, and C. What is A? That is 2. What is B? That is 3. What is C? That is negative 27. Let us now use the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So, negative. Copy the negative, ha? Then, 3 plus minus. Sir, saan galing yung 3 yung B? B, palitan mo din ng 3. Copy 4. Yung iba po, just copy, ha? Kasi part yun ng formula. Huwag yung papalitan, huwag yung babaguhin. Yung mga variables lang, mag-substitute tayo. So, A, we have 2. C, we have negative 27. 2, A, we have 2. Yan, napalitan na natin yung A, B, and C. So, ito na. Isosolve na natin siya. So, we have here, kasya pa ba dito? X is equal to negative, positive, negative, plus, minus, square root of 3 times 3, 9. Negative, negative, that is positive. 4 times 2, that is 8. 27 times 8, that is 6. Carry 5. That is 16, 21, 216. We have 216 over 2 times 2, that is 4. Dito na tayo. We have here copy negative 3 plus minus 9 plus 216, that is 225 over 4. Negative 3 plus minus, what is the square root of 225? That is 15. We have here 15 over 4. So, okay na? Since okay na, hanapin na natin yung roots. Paghiwalayin na natin, isang positive, isang negative. So, we have here x is equal to negative 3 plus 15 over 4. X is equal to negative 3 minus 15 over 4. Negative, positive, subtract. So, we have 15 minus 3, that is 12. Since mas mataas yung 15, positive 12. Divided by 4, x is 3. Nahanap natin yung unang roots. Next, negative, negative, plus. So, therefore, we have 18 over 4. Since it is not divisible by 4 yung 18, so we can simplify it. Ano ba ang common factor ng 18 and 4? Yung greatest common factor nila, that is 2. So divide natin to ng 2, 2. X is equal to 9 over 2. This is negative. Nakalimutan pala natin kasi copy negative. So we have negative. So therefore, the roots of 2x squared plus 3x is equal to 27, or the solution is 3 and negative 9 over 2. To check, so hindi ko na i-check para hindi tayo magpahaba-haba. Yung 3, palitan nyo lang to ng 3, palitan nyo ng 3. Para 27, 27, tama yung sagot nyo. Then, try nyo din yung negative 9 over 2. Halimbawa yung 3, 3. 3 times 3, that is 9. Times 2, that is 18. 3 times 3, that is 9. So, 18 plus 9, 27 equals to 27. As simple as that. Char. Last example. Okay, so we have here x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Since standard form na siya, no need to arrange. So, we have here a is 1, b is 1, c is negative 1. Okay, let us use the quadratic formula. Puro 1. Okay, so negative, copy B, 1. Pag ang B po ay negative, so don't forget to write negative kasi yung ibang estudyante nakakalimutan ilagay. So, negative plus minus 1 raised to 2. Ang A natin ay 1, ang C natin ay negative 1 over 2, ang A natin ay 1. Negative, positive, negative. Plus, minus. 1 times 1, 1. Negative, positive, positive. 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 4. Over 2. X squared is equal to negative plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So, meron bang square root ang 5? So, wala na. So, therefore, ang roots natin is x is equal to negative 1 plus, isang plus, over 2, or, and, x is equal to negative 1 minus, over 2. So, pinaghiwalay lang natin yung isang plus at isang minus. So, meron na tayong dalawang roots. Ayan, my dear students, ganyan lang kadali. So, thank you so much for watching. So, I hope may natutunan kayo. Kung medyo nahihilo, balik-balik na lang. So, review, recall, balikan na lang. Then, tingnan nyo yung iba ko pang mga past lesson kasi interconnected yan para mas ma-master. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.